1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. He's all over it for me. You guys want an immaculate baseball in teams or a random? Oh, there's one spot left in immaculate football. That's my fault, guys. One spot left in immaculate football. The Browns are hanging in there. It's my fault. I thought it was full because Cardinals are in there twice. Here we go. Cut Sigs number 12. All right, good luck, everyone. What is it going to be? We got Lefty Gomez. 19 of 30. I think that's the Yankees. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, I mean, technically, if you look at it, the last team he played for was in 43, and that was Washington. Now, he only pitched 4.2 innings, so does that even count? I don't think it does, and I'm not going to count it. I'm going to give that card to the Yankees. I don't think anybody's going to argue with me. So the Lefty Gomez is going to the Yankees. That is Nate, CLE. Played his entire career for the Yankees and pitched 4.2 innings for Washington. So, yes, that is going to the Yankees. Nate, CLE. Nice hit, buddy. Why not? Yeah.